Otirwa senchera yobo ikiranu mwancho muligere togo tigera boiga samangana lengete na siasa to ikasense ya South Mugirango abasaye kurwa sense ya South Mugirango meye county ya kisiasa litukolia lero ni goba korokorobeka no gotinde o ikasense ya Nyamarambe asokwe murunga ndiye kyombekali kyobo choli nechimbe Iebc igoba ikase chia BC china gote abuna igoba no kyombeke kyabere kya okorogwanchereri ya aso chora bali bagochiwakya na gokolie chikura aso bocholi obonene bole bosi yokolengana nabasa bumaiga korokorobe uko iko bate ya unekyombe kiniko kyanyarage ko bachora baliboka balenge asobokoleri anane asobo choli buaeta niko batebere buna no naboni gabasai bande barusirwa chinsemo chingao gocha koli kwa sensemo yuko nyarago koli obocholi bole bosio bogochokoleka no mutinyo gatano na gatato ani gagocha magaje kombe kyobocholi ne chimbebe Iebc kunyara komukege tambokero na kolingoli bare barachi ko imeremo aso kunyarago koli meremo yo wakachikura gosio wakachikura gose Clark sensemo yo abasawo bono niko baganiriye serikali nabo igo omunyakero wekyombe kyobocholi ne chimbebe Iebc gafula Bukati waswaime na kulingolia malieta asibali bachora senseme yina gote yabuna bange babo mbaruwe tienseme yo asaba igobate bire bunani goba imuke timu eliya koleti obochori omwaka obete goko ero sobochori bwaerete na uboko banyare ko ibolibaga na abande gotigo isikege ntobarokane kwe murungania kendege ikome.
How come majority of shortlisted candidates for interviews come from one clan? Was there equity in regional and clan representation? That's a question Iebc is supposed to answer. How comes, number two, how comes the percentage of non-locals interviewed is significantly higher than the last general elections in 2017, and yet elections are held in every ward and constituency in this country?
Apply kazi ya Iebc, so we are seeing the same people wale walikuwa 2017, they are the same people wako pale kwa Iebc. So our cry is going to Mr. Chebukati directly head office Nairobi so that he can confirm the names walikuwa last elections.